Dua Lipa's life has been filled with lots of dua, which means love in her native Albanian. In this month's cover story for Rolling Stone, the feature nostalgia singer, 25, opens up about her relationship with Anwar Hadid, the time she spent on his family's farm, and how writing her latest album was different thanks to her relationship. "I'm very comfortable in the relationship, more so than any others," she told the magazine, before speaking about her time with the in-laws at their Pennsylvania farm. "Wake up around 9 o'clock, 9:30, shower, get dressed, have a bit of breakfast, take the dog out on a really nice long walk, maybe do some yoga, make some lunch, hang out, watch a movie, play with the animals," she said, before adding that she gifted her boyfriend 2 pygmy goats named Funky and Bam Bam, which love a cuddle. Elsewhere in the interview, Lipa opened up about her Kosovan roots and how her family sought refuge in the United Kingdom following the conflict in the Balkans. "When the occupation happened, Serbian forces wanted to rewrite history. He refused, and he lost his job," she said, referring to her grandfather who was a historian. "So it's part of who I am to stand by the things I believe in." Once in London, her parents were forced to let go of their higher-end jobs to instead work in bars and restaurants while attending school in the evenings. Once her family did, she became the Albanian girl speaking Albanian in an English accent. Today, she holds her Kosovan roots close to her heart and doesn't shy away from speaking about them. We request to kindly like and subscribe to our channel. In that way, in the future as well, we can provide the latest and accurate news at the earliest. Please use the share icon to make this news accessible to more people. Thanks and have a good day ahead.